Most people think the 1% is all about money, supercars, greedy, private jets, and step on others to get ahead. But that's not the 1% I want to talk about in this video today. I want to talk about the builders, the creators, the people who wake up every day obsessed with solving problems and helping others. People like you, people like me, people like MrBeast, who definitely wakes up every single day and asks, how can I help more people? And how can I make something that will impact millions of lives across this planet? And that's the 1% mindset you must have. They don't chase money, they don't chase fame, they chase meaning. And because of that, money just ends up chasing them. Let me ask this question. Have you ever looked at your life and thought like, man, did I miss my chance? Am I getting too old to start over? Listen, if you are in your 30s, 40s, or even 50s, like I am 43 years old right now, okay? The society we live in these days, they love to whisper the lie in our ears. You are too old, it's too late for you, you have no more time, your chance is gone, your time is over. Well, like I said, that's a big lie. And today, I'm gonna show you why that is not true. And in this video, I'm gonna use a story of one of the most impactful human beings alive today. I could definitely talk about anybody else, like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, even Mark Zuckerberg, but I chose MrBeast. But hey, listen guys, I am not here to praise him, okay? I just want to prove to you what becomes possible when you join the 1%, who give more than they take. This video is about you. It is about your future. It is about the version of you that still has time. And about the reason why we chase financial freedom. Not for cars, not for watches, not for flexing, but to change lives the same way he does. And that's why I can tell you, you can be part of the 1% too, to make the world better. You might think, I'm not gonna be able to change the whole world. Yeah, maybe not. But if you change one people's life, you are definitely change their world. And that is exactly what really matters. One thing about MrBeast I need you to know, before the private jets, supercars, before the team, before the global impact he is making right now, there was just a kid with no money, a kid filming videos on a cheap laptop in his bedroom. However, he was obsessed. When I say obsessed, I really mean it. He was extremely obsessed in mastering YouTube. He studied YouTube like a scientist. He watched thousands of videos, he took notes, he analyzed thumbnails, titles, pacing, retention, while everyone else was just having fun or just doing normal life. He spent hours every single day learning the craft. He didn't blow up overnight. He spent years getting just like 100 views, 200 views, 1,000 views. But he didn't stop. And that's the point here. Don't give up when things get hard. And don't give up when things are not going the way you expect. And just because he wasn't like chasing money or chasing fame, he didn't stop. He was chasing mastery. And let me tell you something right now. And you might think you are late. Listen, you are not late, okay? You are just in the beginning of your new life. So I'm gonna give you some points right now so you can think about of why you also can be part of the 1%. Those points are the reason behind why MrBeast became MrBeast. MrBeast reinvests almost all his money into help others. He pays off medical debts, he pays college debt for students, he buys houses for families, he gives away cars to people who need transportation, he built homes and wheels in Africa, he gave his mom $100,000 in cash, he rebuilt neighborhoods after natural disasters, he donates millions in food every single year, he opened food pantries in community centers. His #1 mission, impact, not flexing. He is the perfect example of wealth. Becoming rich allows you to help people at a massive scale. And you must understand, you can create the same impact. You can definitely do the same. You can be part of the 1%. It's not too late for you. You are not behind. So guys, here's the moment where everything changed for MrBeast. He just stopped making videos for himself. And he started making videos for others. He realized something that the 1% understand deeply. If you impact people at scale, money just becomes a side effect. So he flipped the formula. So instead of asking, what kind of video can I make that will make me more money? He asked, what video can I make that will change people's lives? That shift, the one mindset shift, is what created the MrBeast we know today. And this is where the whole story becomes powerful. Because once he discovered impact, his life also changed. And this is something that I need you to understand right now. People have the 1% completely misunderstood. They think rich are greedy. But let me tell you the truth. The top 1%, they value impact more than anything else. MrBeast doesn't wake up saying, how can I make another dollar? He simply wakes up saying, how can I change lives today? And guys, that's the mindset of the 1%. They don't think about just themselves. They think about others all the time. Listen, the 1% think in decades. The 99% think paychecks. The 1% build systems. The 99% react to problems. The 1% creates opportunities. The 99% hope for help. And that is what MrBeast does the best. He reinvests every single dollar he earned into his business. He plays the long game. He thinks long term. And he plays the impact game. And that's why he wins. Hey guys, people really love to talk trash online. They see MrBeast giving money away and they say, yeah, but he makes a lot of money. Yeah, but it's easy for him. He's a millionaire. But guys, that's not the point here, okay? The point here is this. When you have money, you have options. And when you have a good heart, you use those options to change people's lives. You and I, we are chasing success here. We are chasing success for our families, for our kids, for our future. But we also chase success because deep down, we want to change people's lives. We want to help our community. We want to pay someone's bills. We want to fund someone's dreams. We want to take care of our parents. We want to give our kids a life we didn't have. And we want to leave a legacy. And that's the real 1%. Not the rich ones, but the impactful ones. And that's why, guys, this video is important. It's not about becoming rich. It's not about becoming millionaire. It's not about the money. It is about freedom. Freedom to give, freedom to change lives, freedom to build something that outlives you. But you might think, I am too old, man. Like I told you guys, I am 43 years old. I am a father of 2. I have 2 kids. I have family. I have bills to pay. I have bellies to feed. And I also have personal problems. Just like you, listen, I might have all the excuses that you have as well to not take action. But that's not how the 1% act. They take action in spite of the fear. They are scared, but they don't let fear hold them back. They take action in spite of the fear. They are not embarrassed by failure. They are not scared by failure. They have a purpose, and their purpose is the same as ours. We want to change people's lives. And I know MrBeast started at 13 years old. Good for him. But you are starting right now with experience, with maturity, with discipline, with responsibilities. And let me tell you something. Those qualities, they're more powerful than you think. And why? Because you and I, we've seen struggle, we've tested failure. We know what is at stake here. We know what it means to start from zero, over and over. That's why now it is the best time. Because now you are hungry, you are focused, you are determined. You have no time to waste. You are ready. So here are the 4 pillars MrBeast used to build his empire. And the same ones you can start using right now. The first one, obsession. He wasn't just looking for success. He was obsessed about it. If you see your dream like a hobby, it will pay you like a hobby. Change your mind. And pillar number 2, impact. Every video he makes has only one goal. Help someone in a massive way. Give value first. Money will follow. I promise you. And the pillar number 3, reinvest everything. He didn't buy fancy cars. He didn't flex. As so many people, they are self-millionaire claim, showing online fancy cars, sports cars, big houses, because they want to impress you. Don't fall for that. That's not real life. He reinvests every dollar back into growth. That's why he scaled so fast. And pillar number 4, think long term. And that is the hardest one. He didn't chase viral trends. He built systems, he built a team, and he built a mission way bigger than himself, way bigger than even his dreams. And that's the part most people take it wrong. The 1% don't do it alone. They build a community, they build a team that believes in the mission. Hey, listen guys, most people never escape the cycle. 99% of people will never escape the cycle. They live and die in a survival mode. But not because they are bad people, but because nobody ever showed them what is possible. And Mr. Beast is a proof. A regular kid who decides not to be part of the 99%. Who slept on floors, who had no money, but who believed in something way bigger. Today, because he reached financial freedom, he has changed lives across the planet. From America to Africa, from strangers to subscribers, from families to entire communities. And here's the part I want you to understand. This whole video isn't about him, isn't about Mr. Beast. It is about you. Because one day, you will become that person, change somebody else's life. You'll be the person giving someone hope more than just help. You'll be the person lifting someone out of the dark place. But first, you must become financially free. You must join the 1%. Guys, not for ego, not for flexing, not for money, but because the world needs more good people who has the power to help others. Be the person. Start today. Do it for your future. Do it for your family. Do it for yourself. Do it for your neighborhood. Do it for your community. Do it for your parents. Do it for millions of people you might be able to help one day. And remember, you don't change the world because you're rich. You become rich because you want to change the world. And maybe you're watching this video right now feeling tired, feeling stuck, feeling behind, feeling like life didn't go the way you expect. But again, I want you to hear me clearly. You are not late. You are just getting started. And if you want to join the 1%, the good 1% that I've been talking about in this video, start today, not tomorrow. Whatever you've been planning to do, don't leave until Monday. Start today, not when things get better, not when you feel ready, but today. Because the same way Mr. Beast built his life, his empire from nothing, you can do the same from wherever you are right now. Guys, money is not evil. Success is not selfish. Wealth is not greed. Wealth is a tool, and in the hands of good people, it becomes a miracle machine. So here's the message I want to leave you with. Become wealthy, become powerful, become the 1%. Not for you, but for the lives you are going to change. And if this video makes sense to you, make sure you drop a comment down below. I will be the 1%. Because the moment you say it, the mission begins. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment down below and hit the like button. That tells YouTube this video matters, so you can help more people be part of the 1% too. And watch the next video. See you there.